All right, this is how you can find anyone's phone number in 2 seconds. All you need to do is just copy and paste the link to this Clay table and then use it in your workspace, duplicate the Clay table in your Clay workspace. And then all you need is just a contacts, a person's LinkedIn profile. And then this Clay table will do the job and will get your phone number of that prospect, of that contact, right? So the way it works is what you see here is a waterfall enrichment. What we have is a bunch of different providers, different mobile number providers that we are using on a waterfall method, right? So if we try the first one, if the first one wasn't able to find a valid phone number, we try the second one. If the second one wasn't able to find a valid phone number, we try the third one, and so on and so forth, up until the last provider. In some of these cases, the last provider was actually the successful one, and that's what we needed, right? So as you can see, out of 63 results that I have in this Clay table, it was able to find every single phone number except for one. So it is pretty good. The enrichment rate is pretty good. And to show you that it works and it is accurate, I'm going to paste the link to my LinkedIn profile right here. I'm going to put it here. And then I'm going to wait for this workflow to find my phone number. As you can see, in about 5 seconds, the second provider was able to find my phone number. Now, that's the correct one. I'm not going to open it, but I know that's my phone number. And so if you're interested in this workflow, just go to the link in the description and use that link to duplicate this Clay table in your workspace, and you're going to be able to find anyone's phone number by just using their LinkedIn profile. So we do also set up outbound systems that pre-qualify, pre-qualify, reach out to your ideal prospects and get you sales opportunities ready to close on a pay-per-demo basis. So if that sounds interesting, feel free to book a call with a link in the description below, and I'll see you there. Cheers.